Deep inside the ancient ruins of Abusir and Giza, carved directly into the hardest granite on Earth, lies physical evidence of high-speed machine tools that shouldn't exist. Perfectly circular, deep drill holes with precise spiral grooves winding down their interior walls, left by high-speed mechanical tools. Mainstream history claims ancient Egyptians carved these massive granite blocks, using only soft copper chisels, wooden mallets, and wet sand. But copper is far softer than quartz granite. Trying to cut solid granite with copper is like trying to slice through a thick steak with a piece of soft bread. Even with abrasive quartz sand, hand-driven copper tools would flatten and wear away long before making a dent in granite of this scale. So how did they do it? The undeniable physical proof was uncovered in 1881 by legendary archaeologist Sir William Flinders Petrie. Petrie discovered cylindrical granite cores, the solid stone cylinders left inside a hole after a hollow tube drill cuts through. Among them was Petrie Core number 7, a piece of hard rose granite that completely baffled mechanical engineers. Examining the core under magnification revealed continuous, uniform spiral grooves cut directly into the quartz crystals with absolute mathematical precision. In hard quartz granite, these spiral grooves sink a full 1/10 of an inch deep into the stone per single revolution of the drill bit. To force a drill bit that deep into granite in a single turn requires over 2,000 pounds of constant downward mechanical pressure. No team of human workers turning a hand drill could ever produce 2,000 pounds of downward force while maintaining a high-speed rotation. In fact, modern diamond-tipped industrial drills cut into granite at a rate 500 times slower per revolution than core number 7. This means the ancient drill bit wasn't just spinning, it was entering the rock with immense power and velocity. And the drills aren't the only evidence. Massive granite sarcophagi show straight, unyielding saw cuts over 7 feet long. Diorite bowls were hollowed out and turned on ancient precision lathes, leaving perfectly uniform wall thicknesses under 1 millimeter. If these high-speed mechanical tools existed, where are the machines themselves? Why are there no written records describing them? Some engineers theorize the Egyptians utilized acoustic resonance, using high-frequency ultrasonic sound waves to shatter stone crystals ahead of the drill. Others believe advanced steel or diamond-encrusted machinery was destroyed or salvaged following a catastrophic global event. Accepting this physical evidence forces mainstream historians to rewrite the entire timeline of human manufacturing and industrial development. Yet the physical proof remains locked in solid stone across Giza, Abusir, and Karnak for anyone to inspect today. What do you think powered these 4,000-year-old drills? High-speed mechanical power or lost acoustic technology? Type drill or chisel in the comments right now. Join the OnGod family and tap the subscribe button for the next deep dive.